I'm George McCranie, serious injury attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia. Today I wanted to talk about a common injury that occurs in motorcycle accidents. It's called biker's arm. Now, motorcycles have a special place with me because I started riding when I was literally 8 years old. And luckily, I haven't been injured in the years since. But we've talked about other injuries that occur a lot of times in motorcycle accidents. We talked about road rash injuries, we talked about head and neck injuries, head trauma injuries, those kind of things, and other injuries. But today I wanted to talk specifically about biker's arm. And what that is it's your natural tendency, if you're in a skid, if you're in a slide, if you're in an accident, to put your hands out, put your arms out, and try to break that fall. And a lot of times when you do that, it's a natural instinct, but when you do that, your arms and your hands, your wrists, elbows, shoulders, take the brunt of the force from that accident. And when that happens, one of the things that people don't realize can happen, one of the things that can happen is you get nerve damage. And if you've got nerve damage from this type of accident, a motorcycle accident, it's sometimes difficult to treat, sometimes it takes a long time to treat, and it's expensive to treat. So if you've got in an accident on a motorcycle, you've done this, you've got some injuries, you've got some issues with your hands, with your wrist, you've got possible nerve damage, you need to let your doctors know about that as soon as possible so that you can get treatment for it. Now, another injury that happens a lot of times in motorcycle accidents is broken collarbones. And a broken collarbone is not an easy treat, okay? It's not an easy treatment to get anything done for, all right? So what happens is the treatment can last from weeks to, several months. And there's 6 treatments for a broken collarbone. One is wear your arm in a sling. You see that a lot of times. 2 is if it's a severely broken collarbone, surgery is involved. All right, so that's pretty serious. Third thing, treatment is applying ice, and that's just simply to reduce the inflammation and the swelling. Or you can take, the fourth thing is you can take the anti-inflammatories, and that'll help the inflammation go down, help cut down on some of the pain, hopefully. Now, you can try all these things, and that's fine, but in the end, you're gonna have to have physical therapy. If you're not able to work, it causes a lot of problems. A lot of people need that paycheck and they can't do without it. They've got kids in school, everything's going on. They're taking care of other family members. So being out of work is a very important thing if this happens to you. Now, during your recovery, you might be able to perform some of the regular things that you do, but what happens is a lot of times, on top of not being able to work, there's normal things that you can't do. You can't take a shower the way you used to. You can't go to the bathroom. Like I say, certainly wouldn't be able to go to work. So there's a lot of things that happens if you've been in a motorcycle accident and biker's arm is an issue, either the nerve damage or the broken collarbones. That causes a lot of problems for people. If you've got a question about any of this, feel free to give us a call. We'll help you get the answers to the questions that you have and help you get the answers that you need. You can reach us at 833-927-6227 or online at McCranielawfirm.com. Now, if you've been injured in a motorcycle accident, don't delay in contacting an attorney. Give us a call as quickly as you can, because what we want to do is we want to let you be able to learn about all of your rights that you have and all of the insurance company's responsibilities, what they have to do, what their responsibilities are. Now, we will also work with you to get you the treatment for your injuries that you need. Do everything we can to help you get that treatment, get you emotional support while you're in recovery, and help you get a financial recovery in the end. Because if you've been injured due to someone else's fault, you've got to protect yourself and your family. Now, if you'd like to, feel free to call us at 833-927-6227 or online at McCranielawfirm.com. We'll answer questions. We'll help you any way that we can to get you the information that you need so that you can make an informed decision about attorneys, about doctors, about the whole 9 yards. We'll help you every way we can to get you on the road to recovery. Now, one other thing I wanted to mention, if you'd like, feel free to contact us. You can do it over the phone or you can do it online at McCranielawfirm.com. We will be glad to send you a copy of my book, and I wrote it to help our clients understand more about their serious injury claim, and the book that I wrote is called After the Crash. We'll be glad to send that to you absolutely free so that you'll understand more and get more valuable information about what happens after you've been in a serious accident. Okay? So if you'd like a copy of the book, feel free to call us 833-927-6227 or go online to McCranielawfirm.com. We'll send you a copy of that book absolutely free. It's got a lot of great information in it, but it won't take the place of an attorney. Make sure you get an attorney. If you've been seriously injured, the insurance companies are there to make money. They're not there to pay out. So don't delay contacting an attorney. Feel free to give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you. I'm George McCranie, serious injury attorney with offices in Douglas and Valdosta, Georgia.